Hi all, I'm Tara Ruth with Learning Herbs, and today I'm going to show you a peek inside our Herbal Remedy Kit. Ta-da! So our Herbal Remedy Kit has everything you need to get started using herbal remedies in your own kitchen, and it all comes in this beautiful box. And when you buy this box, you also get access to some great video content that shows you step by step how to make all these beautiful remedies in your own kitchen. It's so easy with the Herbal Remedy Kit. So whether you're a beginner and you're just looking to dive on in, or you have a little more experience, the Herbal Remedy Kit is great because it just makes everything simple and it's really fun. I love using it, even though I've been practicing herbalism for a little while now. So I'm going to show you what's in the Herbal Remedy Kit. Okay, first things first. I opened the kit and I found this sweet note from John Gallagher, my boss, and also the co-founder and co-owner of Learning Herbs and my co-podcast host on Herb Mentor Radio. Give it a listen. And this just gives you all the info you need to register online so you can watch those great training videos I told you about to make the herbal remedies inside. So, what a great way to start. Let's see what's next. The next thing I see is this great bag of herbs for making your own first aid salve. And these herbs include calendula, comfrey, and plantain, some of my favorite herbs, which I am going to say about every herb in this kit, but it's not my fault because all herbs are amazing and they're all my favorites. So there. Calendula, comfrey, and plantain are all very soothing for the skin. I love including them in a salve, and these ones are really fresh and smell great. The other nice thing about the kit is that it also comes with some beeswax for making your salve, so that's super convenient. And we also happen to have some lavender essential oil that you can add to your salve. Okay, two other things that delighted me about the salve portion of this box is that the tins are already here, the tins for making your salve, which is so nice. And then your labels. We have these really sweet labels. They have little flowers on them and they show you all the ingredients in your salve. And it's so nice to have these two things on hand because I can't tell you how many times I've started to make an herbal salve and then, I'm gonna pour my salve into its containers and then I realize I don't have any containers. So it ends up in a mason jar for a little while, which is fine, but it's much nicer to be prepared. And the Herbal Remedy Kit really helps you feel prepared and have beautiful labels already made for you. I mean, incredible. Okay, the next thing that delighted me in the Herbal Remedy Kit was the Echinacea for the Echinacea Tincture that you'll be able to make in your own kitchen. So this is Echinacea root. Ooh. Let's see, does it smell? Yeah, you can still smell it through the bag. And when you can smell the herbs when they're still super aromatic, that's a good sign that they're still really fresh. And this Echinacea root is going to be steeped in alcohol for a lovely Echinacea tincture. And Echinacea is most well known for being an immune stimulant that can help during colds and flu. I also work with it topically a little bit as well. And then we include the jar for you to steep your beautiful Echinacea in with the alcohol. You can also make a glycerit, which is an alcohol-free extraction. Gosh, and it's so nice. We have a spot here for you to put the date, when you want to decant it, and then the percentage of the alcohol that you used, if you so choose to use alcohol. Someone was really thinking ahead when they planned this. And in addition to all of these tincture supplies that I already showed you, we also have these little blue bottles that came so beautifully packed. And these are going to be used to store your tincture in. Here's one of the blue bottles that I managed to pry loose from that expertly packed bundle of blue bottles. Tincture is going to look so good in this. And you know what it's going to look even better with? A pre-made label with a beautiful echinacea flower on it. How convenient. And the next thing I'm super excited about in the Herbal Remedy Kit is the baggie of elderberries. These elderberries are going to be used to make a syrup. I love elderberry syrup. I make it especially during cold and flu season and will drink a few sips of it every day to help really bolster my immune system. It's also a systemic anti-inflammatory, which is another nice healing gift of elderberry. And you can learn more about elderberry from our elderberry herb note if you're interested. Yeah, and again, the video instructions and recipes for making this elderberry syrup are all included in your kit. So you're going to be able to easily make this in your own kitchen. And it's going to be amazing, I promise. Okay, so the last herb that I'm very excited about in the Herbal Remedy Kit is nettle. You can smell it through the bag. Incredible. So nettle is a really mineral-rich herb that promotes overall vitality, and it especially has an affinity for hair, skin, and nails. And I love making a nourishing herbal infusion with nettle. A nourishing herbal infusion is basically just a long steeped tea. I love making nourishing infusions with nettle, with oat straw, with linden, and the long steep really helps extract those nourishing minerals from our lovely nettle friend. I also love to not only drink nettle tea, but I like to make a little hair rinse with nettle tea and then use that to wash my scalp and my luscious locks of hair. And just to keep things convenient for you when you're making your nettle herbal infusion, we included this little cloth baggie to put your nettle in when you steep it in water. It's gonna be great. So those are all the parts of the Herbal Remedy Kit, except for the whole online portion, which includes all the videos and then the recipes that you're gonna use to make all these incredible remedies. So if you'd like to get your Herbal Remedy Kit for yourself or for a friend, you can click below to grab one. Enjoy and have an amazing plant-filled day.